Once you're, oh!
Hey, your pants are getting wet.
Whose? Don't bail on me, Dilly. Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stocka Media and supporting sponsor, the Waterport. After a long night and a rough morning packing up in the rain, it was time to hit the trail. Being our first overland expedition together, entering the barracks had us both nervous and excited.
You ready for today's trail?
Time to air down.
Time to air down. Wow. Going down to 25.
All right, we are good to go. Alrighty, well, campsite 2 was a success. We actually didn't know where we were going until Dylan found that spot, so good on you, Dylan. Today's adventure, we'll be pushing down the barracks trail as far as we can. It's been raining quite heavily for the last 24 hours. So, without further ado, we are about to breach this gate here up on our left, and this will be the start of the barracks trail. So let's take it slow, safe, and have fun. Copy that. Let's have a good time.
First water crossing.
Here's our first crossing, and I'm gonna get out real quick and let you go first. Copy that. So we just got to our first water crossing. The first thing that we're gonna do is go check water depth, and just kind of eyeball it, make sure there's no big rocks or anything, puncture tires. But depth, we want to make sure we don't get ourselves surprised by some deep water. So I'm gonna go check it out.
Okay, looks good.
We're good. I heard it hit, so I think I'm gonna take her on the left a little bit though. Cause you can tell, you can just see the ground disappear. So we're just gonna take the easy way around the side.
Okay.
Doesn't look like there's too crazy of rocks through here. So we're gonna take the left side over here. It's not quite as deep, and we'll get going. Alright, that was our first successful water crossing. It was pretty mild, which was nice since, you know, it was both of our first. And I went ahead and took the easy route, and Steven wanted to make sure and check that the deep side was in fact passable, which it is. Thank you, Steven. And there Looking forward to, I don't know, 19 more.
Absolutely, that was fun for me and fun for us.
It was definitely a great experience. Never looked down, and I'm looking forward
To the 19 river crossings left.
Copy that.
We were only just getting started on the trail, and already the views were amazing.
We got another one right here.
That looks fun.
Dang, what we got over here? Well, hold on. Slow?
So don't go too fast. And don't go too slow.
Oh my gosh. We got rocked on that last one.
You what?
We got rocked on coming above that because I didn't take it wide, so we were just hitting a bunch of bumps.
Yeah, us too.
Getting ready for lunch.
So we're getting ready for lunch, and we're cooking on the back of Robin today, just because it has the drop-down tailgate, which is easy accessible. We're not trying to stay here too long because the Barracks Trail is a total of 28 miles?
6, I think.
26 miles, and we have accomplished 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. So trying not to stay here all too long, but we're definitely gonna try to get some good grub in this. So I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. Thank you to my wife for making a wonderful chicken salad. So I'm gonna have chicken salad sandwiches tonight. Or I'm sorry, right now. And I think they're going to have chili. So grub-a-dub-dub in my tub. What do you gotta do right now?
I gotta take a deuce.
Gotta take a deuce? Go ahead. You know where the toilet is.
I'm the boy right there.
You're in the wilderness. What do you mean, where do you go? Go ahead, grab that toilet. Dilly was the first one to use it.
Actually, where is it?
It's right on the side of the pillow. Hold it up. Hold it up, Steve. Hold it up. Bangarang.
Bangarang.
What happened?
Not only have I forgotten to unload our memory cards at night, but I also forgot to bring the can opener. Kind of. See what happens.
Go on the log over there. Dang. Watch the hand.
I'm gonna clean that up. See if that works. There's no meat in here.
Well, duh!
We got Sloppy Joe sandwich sauce. Not Sloppy Joe. Get out the brats. We're making sloppy brats. Dang. Wow. That's awesome.